back through some puddles. Knees tucked in, knees bent, the grass, off the grass, maybe even a bit of braking, eh? Let's go to Pro. Pro will let me do a skid. Pro will let me skid the back. That's what Pro lets me do. I can get to the front of the pack here, do a bit of filming. I can. It's dust in me face. This guy's taken over both lanes. Don't know why he's taken over both lanes. Well, you go that way. I'll go this way. And you go that way. I'll go this way. And I'll quarter mark. I'll quarter mark the next one. That's what I'll do. That way. Oh, no, I think he's talking about the dust, the way the dust is travelling. Is that what he's talking about? Or was he talking about a turn? I think he's talking about a turn. Well, that's my confidence has got up on this. And I'm doing alright. Alright, let's tell everyone where they're going. Okay. Oh, that was good fun. Bit of slipping and sliding and riding. That was nice. Alright, I can get rid of the heat vest stuff. Gotta learn to tuck it in. Tuck the wire in though. Yeah. Not let it fall. Let's see. Oh, there they come. There they come. Nice. Bike in gear, and then I can do a run start. Is that tail end? No, that's not tail end. Hit the post. Alright. Oh, what I can do is start it, get ready to jump it. So I started it. And I'm ready to Don't heats up. These bikes don't like running when they're stationary. Easy to hold though. The balance of the weight of this is really easy to manage. See, I just got the edge of that bar there, and I can easily control the weight of it, holding it, because the weight's low, you know. And when the weight's low, the balance point is really good. Really. Okay, there it is. It's here. We're in the 50 zone. We're in the 50 zone. Okay. So, where are we going? Where are we eating? We're eating there. Or here. There. Here will do. Sorry. Actually, let's go back over there. Ah.
This will be the most dangerous surface we've been on.
Yeah. Crackers.
Acorns on a hard surface. Back into that.